Hey guys, got a 2022 plate VAUXHALL Mokka here. I'm just going to show you how to turn on and off the active safety brake on this one. So on this one, you're going to come to the screen in the center of the dash. And then from here, you're going to press the car icon. Then go to safety. Then up here you have the active safety brake. So from here you can adjust the distance to be, it'll automatically brake when you're close, or it'll brake for you when you're quite far away. Or you can just turn it on and off here by toggling that on and off.